So it's been a day or two since my last quant update, but nothing has changed, and every single update that I've been bringing out to you guys is pretty much following what we were saying in that video. So we created this wick over here that's confirming this inverse head and shoulders breakout, so we should then continue to the target. The direct next day we filled in the wick, had a long period of the day we were beneath the wick, but for the daily candle close we were back above that neckline. However, guys, things changed at that point, because we essentially filled in the wick that confirmed the neckline for this pattern breakout, so we should expect the target around 120, just before $125, but you'd actually get pulled towards this area anyway, like a magnet, so it would actually get higher than the actual breakout target. But coming back to this, where everything changed and what I actually did mention to you guys, and I drew out a new level of support and a new box for the last video, because on this candle that confirmed this wick and the neckline as support for the second time, we actually created a new wick. And so what I mentioned in my last and most recent update was that I'm not even focused on this wick anymore. It's now this new wick down over here, and this is why I drew out a new box for you guys. And I mentioned that yes, we're overlapping a different support box between 100 and 102, and our next one is 101 and 104, so there's an overlap. So what we can gain and try to understand from this is, like, as I mentioned in the last video, this is like a second layer of defense. This is now a double brick wall, essentially. So we're now being given the opportunity to go up. Quant is now being given the opportunity to go up. So right now, continue to hold that 101 location with body candle closes. But as we are not even closing beneath this other box's support, which is 102, then now it's all about breaking what is currently our resistance, 104. And if we can now close the daily above 104, then we'll of course look for bullish continuation where Quant will break through, and then of course flipping this area into support once more, we're going to validate these targets to the upside, which is not only going to actually this inverse head and shoulders has already been met. This target is not the inverse head and shoulders target, it's actually a double bottom over here with a really ugly second bottom, but it still is. Now you can even say there's a new pattern, a new double bottom, with this being your first leg, and we're now in the creation of the second leg, second bottom. And in this second bottom we've got like two layers of support. So it's just important right now for Quant, for the holders of Quant, to of course see it reclaim 104 and all of these moving averages, and then of course we would target the golden pocket once more, flipping 130 into support. We will eventually see a $200 Quant token. That is it from me today. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share, and if you want further exclusive content and weekly live streams and access to all my cryptos, with over 25 in my portfolio, and use the links down below, and I'll catch you over in the community. Cheers everyone.